Welcome all. I am Professor A.R. Wakode, going to deliver my video lecture on the topic tillage, definition, objective, types of tillage, what is the modern concept of tillage, and what are main field preparation required for the tillage operations. So tillage it is the mechanical manipulation of soil with tools and implement for obtaining the condition which is ideal for seed germination, seed establishment and proper growth of the plant. Means it is the operation which is used to perform proper seed bed for sowing operation. After seeding, interculture operation also. This operation is called as tillage operations. Tillage operation in various forms have been practiced by various inspection of growing plants. The word tillage is derived from Anglo-Saxon word tillion and teolion, means to plough and prepare the soil for seed to sow and to cultivate and raise the crops. What do you mean by tilth? It is the physical condition of soil obtained out of tillage, or it is the result of tillage operation. It is called as tilth. It may be a coarse tilth, fine tilth or moderate tilth. Now what are the objectives of these tillage operations? There are several objectives: to prepare the good seed bed which help the germination of seed, to create the condition in the soil suited for better growth of crop, to control the weeds effectively, to make the soil capable of absorbing more rainwater, to mix up the manure and fertilizer in the soil, to aerate the soil, to provide adequate seed soil contact to permit water flow to seed and seeding roots, to remove the hard pan, increase the soil depth. These are the different objectives of this tillage operations. Then what are the types of tillage? Tillage may be grouped into two categories: on-season tillage, off-season tillage. On-season tillage are the tillage operations which are done for raising the crop in the same season or at the concept of crop season are known as on-season tillage. It is also called as preparatory tillage. What do you mean by preparatory tillage? This refers to tillage operation that are done to prepare the field for raising the crop, or it is the first initial soil working operations. There are two types of preparatory tillage: primary tillage and secondary tillage. So what do you mean by primary tillage? It is the first initial soil working operation, and it is the operation that is done after the harvest of crop to bring the land under cultivation. Ploughing is the opening of compact soil with the help of different plough. Country plough, moldboard plough, Bose plough, tractor and power tiller drawn implement are used in the primary tillage operations. Now what do you mean by secondary tillage operations? Secondary tillage operation are that operation that are performed after primary tillage operation. These are lighter and finer operations. It require less energy. These operations clean the soil, break the clods and incorporate the manure and fertilizer in the soil. So harrowing and planking is done to serve this purpose. What do you mean by planking? Planking is done to crush the hard clods, level the soil surface and to compact the soil lightly with the help of harrows, cultivator, spades. These are also used as a secondary tillage implements. Next one is layout of the seedbed. Layout means not measuring the farm. The farm is in proper level or not. Either it may be too much slopey or not. It's called as layout of the seedbed. It is also done in the preparatory tillage with the help of leveling board, buck scrapers. These are used for leveling and makers and layout of the seedbed. Next type is after cultivation tillage, or it is also called as intercultivation tillage. Means seed are germinated and the operation which are performed in that, it is called as intercultivation tillage. These operations that are carried out in the standing crop after the sowing and planting and prior to the harvesting of crop plants are called as after tillage operation. This is also called as intercultivation operation also, or post seeding and planting cultivation. It includes harrowing, hoeing, weeding, earthing up, drilling, side dressing, fertilizer, spade, hoe, weeders. These are the etc. used for intercultivation. Next type is off-season tillage. The tillage operation done for conditioning the soil suitably for forthcoming main crop are called as off-season tillage. Off-season tillage may be post-harvest tillage, summer tillage, winter tillage and fall tillage. This includes special purpose tillage. The tillage operation that serves to special purpose are called as special purpose tillage. This may be subsoiling, clean tillage. What do you mean by subsoiling? The operation which are used to break the hard pan beneath the plough layer. Special tillage operations is formed to reduce the compaction. Subsoiling is essential and once to 4 to 5 years when heavy machineries are used for that operations. Advantages of subsoiling are greater volume of soil may be obtained, excess water may be percolate downward to recharge the permanent water tables, reduce runoff rate and soil erosion, and roots of crop plant penetrate deeper to extract the moisture from the water table of the soil. It includes in subsoiling tillage. The next operation is clean tillage. It refers to working the soil to entire field in such a way no living plant is left undisturbed. It is practiced to control the weed, soil-borne pathogen and pest. Clean tillage operations. What is the modern concept of tillage? Conventional tillage involves primary tillage to break the open and turn the soil, followed by secondary tillage operation to obtain the seedbed for sowing and planting. With the introduction of herbicide in intensive farming system, the concept of tillage has been changed. Continuous use of heavy plough create hard pan in the subsoil, result in poor infiltration. It is more susceptible to runoff and erosion. It is capital intensive and increase the soil degradation. To avoid this ill effect, modern concept of tillage is rules. What do you mean by minimum tillage? It aims at reducing tillage operation to minimum necessity for ensuring a good seedbed. Means operation are performed with minimum rate, not maximum. Advantages of minimum tillage over the conventional tillage are: the cost and time of field preparation is reduced, soil compaction is comparatively less, soil structure is not destroyed, water loss to the runoff and erosion is minimum, water storage in the plough layer is increased. Next is what do you mean by zero tillage system, or it is also called as no tillage system. When a standing new crop is planted in the residue of previous crop without any prior tillage operation or without any seedbed preparation is called as zero tillage system. Means we do not have to prepare the seedbed, do not done primary tillage operation, secondary tillage operation. In the uprooting of previous harvest crop, we can done direct sowing operations. It is possible when all the weeds are controlled by the use of herbicides. Zero tillage is applicable for the soil with coarse texture, surface, horizon, good internal drainage, high biological activity, favorable initial soil structure and adequate quality of crop residue as mulch. These conditions are generally found in alpha soils, oxysoils and nutisoils in the humid and subhumid tropic. What do you mean by till planting? Till planting is one of the methods of practicing zero tillage. A wide sweep and trash bars clear the strip over the previous crop row and planter opens a narrow strip into which seeds are planted and covered. Then what do you mean by stubble mulch tillage or stubble mulch farming? Stubbles are the uprooting of previous crops. Sweeps or blades are generally used to cut the soil up to 12 to 15 cm depth in the first operation after harvest, and depth of cut is reduced during the subsequent operation. When large amount of residue are present, this type implement is used for the first operation to incorporate some residue into the soil. This hasn't a decomposition but still keep enough reduce the topsoil, including stub mulch tillage. What do you mean by conservation tillage? The major objective is to conserve the soil and soil moisture. It is a system of tillage in which organic residue are not inverted into the soil such a way that they remain on the surface as a protective cover against the erosion and evaporation loss of soil moisture. If stubble forms the protective cover on the surface, it is usually refers to stubble mulch tillage. The residue left on the soil surface with seedbed preparation and sowing operation. It is a year-round system of managing plant residue with implement that undercut residue, losses the soil and kills the weeds. What are the advantages of conservation tillage? Energy conservation is done, improve the soil physical property and reduce the water runoff from the fields. So I end my video lectures. Thank you very much.